Pope Francis, the 266th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church, passed away on April 21, 2025, at the age of 88. He had been hospitalized since February due to a respiratory illness that developed into double pneumonia. His death was confirmed by Cardinal Kevin Farrell, who praised the Pope's lifelong dedication to service and love for the marginalized. His final public appearance was on Easter Sunday, where he delivered blessings in St. Peter's Square.
Cari fratelli e sorelle, buona Pasqua.
His legacy as a progressive leader focused on social justice, interfaith dialogue, and moral courage continues to resonate across the globe.